Good day everyone. Welcome back to the Azure AI series. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of Azure AI services, and I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to create your very first AI project using the Azure AI Foundry Portal. Whether you are a beginner exploring AI or a developer looking to build a scalable AI solutions, this video will help you get started the right way by creating a project that's ready to be powered with AI capabilities, all within the Azure ecosystem. I will guide you through each step from accessing the Foundry portal, creating a project, and setting it up for your AI solution. So stick around till the end and follow along. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update in our Azure AI series. Let's jump right into building your first AI solution on Azure. Let's click on a new tab and then open https ai.azure.com. Yeah. So if you see any other screen after opening this, what you need to do is you just need to click on this Azure AI Foundry and you will be able to see this screen. Yeah. Now scroll down and then search for the model GPT 4.0 and then select it, and then what you do is you need to click on this use this model and then click on this advanced options and then name this here as appropriate. I'm going to name it as JB Foundry June 2025. So you need to use an appropriate name. I've used this name because it's a demo, but in your case, if it is going to be a deployment on your production subscription, or for that matter, if it is going to be for testing, I would advise you to use an appropriate name. Yeah, I will leave this subscription as is. I will select the appropriate subscription. I will select appropriate resource group. I will leave this name here as advised earlier. You can have an appropriate name here, and my region would be Sweden Central. So once these things are in place, click on create and then wait for this project to get complete. And once this is completed, what we'll do is we will create an deployment to go forward. So the project is created now, and as soon as it is created, the chat playground will be opened automatically, so you can test your model. So what we'll do now, let's click on the overview here, and then if you can see here, we have the endpoint and keys and things like that. Yeah. So now if you scroll down, let's click on this open in management center. The management center allows you to configure settings at both the resource level and the project level, both of which are accessible from the navigation pane. Yeah, the resource level refers to the Azure AI Foundry resources that supports your project. This resource includes connection to Azure AI services and Foundry models, and acts as a central hub where you can manage user access and oversee all your AI development projects. Yeah. Now what we'll do is let's go to our resource group that we created, and if you see here, we have these two resources. One is your Azure AI Foundry, and the another one is your Azure AI Foundry project. Now let's go to our Azure AI Foundry portal and then click on Go to Project. Yep, and then what we'll do is let's click on the playgrounds. Yep. So now if you see here, that we have the deployment here. Yeah. So we created this GPT 4.0 that's under JB Foundry June 2025 resource. Yeah. So what we'll do is let's give some instruction and context, and then let's ask some questions. I'm going to use this as the instruction. I'm basically telling that you're a helpful travel assistant that provides personalized recommendations. Your goal is to help users plan trips by suggesting detailed itineraries, travel tips, and more. Yeah, and then let's click on apply changes. And let's ask our first question. Okay, so I'm basically asking my first question as I want to plan a 5-day trip to India. Suggest an itinerary including major cities, top attractions, local food and travel tips, and let's look at the response here. Yeah. Okay, so we have the response, and now I'm not going to read each and everything here, but yeah. So if you say here, it basically tells like day one arrival in Delhi. It basically gives us like morning where you can go, afternoon where you can go. So all these information is present here. It tells like on day two you can go to Jaipur, and then day three to Agra, and then day four to Varanasi, and things like that. We have more details here. So if you want to read more, then you can check that further. Okay. So now I'm going to ask one more question, and that question is going to be, what are some cultural etiquettes I should know before visiting India? Yeah, just to prepare ourselves before traveling. So if you see here, it basically provides the information like greetings and social etiquette. It basically tells like namaste, handshake, and respect elders. And likewise, you have more information here. Yeah, and also like I will ask one last question. Yeah, and that question is going to be: can you suggest a travel budget for this 5 day trip for a solo traveler? Yeah, that's the question I'm asking. And if you look at the response here, it basically tells like the budget travel, it would be like close to 3,500 to 5,000 per day. And in dollars, USD, it is telling like 40 to 60 per day. And it tells like how much you will be spending for the accommodation, transportation, food, attraction, and many other things. It's a complete package where you ask proper questions, you will get a nearly proper response back from the model. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.